Hello everybody, today we are going to speak about how to insert any character from Mixamo and add it to Unreal Engine, and we will speak how to insert any animation like that and create cinematic sequence and render your short film. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. First of all, you need to go to mixamo.com, mixamo.com, and you can go to choose your character. Choose any character you like, all of them for free. For example, I will choose this one. Do you want to choose this one? Yes, I will choose this character. Okay, and you can apply any animation and you can take it to Unreal. But first character I need to go to and choose T-pose without any animation, and we can download without with skin. Okay, with skin and make download. So we will make folder for all of them. Old man, this character, old man, FVX. Okay, and we can choose any character, walk, for example, old man. Okay, something like this. On place, nice. Download. Now I will just download animation, so I will choose without skin. Okay, skin, you will download it for once. Okay, walking, old man, I will delete this one. Okay, delete FFPX and stand. Okay, nice. Download without skin. Okay, so I will insert all of them in Unreal. So I'm here and we can create new folder, old man, old man. First I will insert my character, this old man. Okay, all of them I will let them the same. Import animation, we don't need any animation. Import all. Okay, okay, nice. So this is material, so I will create folder material. Okay, all of them. And animation. So here choose your character, old man, skeleton, import all. So now if I am here, just Ctrl S. If we are here, look, this is our animation. You can drag and drop your animation here. okay, as you like, or you can simulate, play, and look, this is our animation working nice. Or you can make new sequence, okay, level sequence, and you can insert your character here, okay. Okay, this is our character. Add actor, add walk. So animation, walking. This is our, and you can make it a little bit. So we can make this animation start from here, from this location to this location, for example. Okay, now look, or we can make it here, but there is slow before we start, so you can select all of them and you can come here and choose them and come to this area here, make it straight, so look nice. And you can make it render and you can do as you like, okay. So the end of animation here first, okay. Now everything is working, and you can add another animation, for example here in this area. If you like this video, don't forget to like for my video and subscribe for my channel. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.